Think about this for a second. Why do most people waste their hard-earned money on flashy cars that spend more time in the mechanic's shop than on the road? It's because the car industry has mastered the art of distraction. They'll sell you the dream of power, luxury, or tech gadgets, but they won't tell you about the headaches, constant repairs, surprise breakdowns, and repair bills that drain your wallet faster than fuel drains your tank. But here's the truth. Not all SUVs are built to fail you. Some are engineered with such ruthless reliability that they practically erase the concept of car trouble from your life. These are the vehicles that keep running smoothly year after year, without begging you for attention, money, or time. And when you drive one of these, you don't just save on repairs, you gain peace of mind, confidence, and freedom. Today, I'm going to expose 5 SUVs so dependable that you'll forget what a mechanic even looks like. By the end of this video, you won't just want one, you'll feel almost foolish to consider anything else. 1. Toyota Highlander. When people talk about reliability, Toyota's name always floats to the top, and for good reason. The Highlander is not just an SUV, it's practically a trust contract on wheels. Toyota engineers don't gamble with risky new experiments, they perfect what already works. The Highlander has a track record of lasting 200,000 to even 300,000 miles without begging for expensive repairs. Think about that. That means you could buy one today and still be driving it comfortably more than a decade from now, while your neighbor is already on their second or third SUV. The secret is Toyota's obsession with proven engines, bulletproof transmissions, and a design philosophy that prioritizes longevity over temporary flash. When you drive a Highlander, you don't just avoid the mechanic, you embarrass the entire repair industry. Every oil change feels like the only favor you ever need to do for it. It's the SUV that makes you feel smart, because while others are draining cash on constant service visits, you're putting miles on the road worry-free. 2. Honda CR-V. Now, let's talk about a legend. The Honda CR-V has built its reputation the same way an undefeated fighter builds his record, by showing up, winning, and never letting you down. You know why mechanics secretly hate CR-V owners? Because they hardly see them. Honda designed this SUV with ruthless simplicity. Fewer things to break, and the parts that are there are over-engineered to last. The CR-V doesn't pretend to be the flashiest or most powerful, it plays the long game. It's the kind of SUV that starts every single morning, even in freezing winters, and drives for hundreds of thousands of miles, like it's fresh off the lot. Imagine never worrying about your transmission suddenly quitting, never getting that sinking feeling when the engine light pops on. That's the power of Honda reliability. The CR-V basically teaches you one thing: that peace of mind is priceless, and once you own one, you'll never settle for an unreliable car again. 3. Lexus RX. Some people still believe luxury equals fragility. They think high-end cars are ticking time bombs of repair bills. The Lexus RX proves them dead wrong. Here's the manipulative truth nobody tells you. Lexus is just Toyota in a luxury suit. You get the exact same Toyota reliability, but with more comfort, more refinement, and more class. While BMW and Audi owners are crying in repair shops, Lexus owners are sipping coffee in their RX, quietly smiling. The RX consistently ranks among the most dependable SUVs, year after year. Its engines are known to last longer than the owner's patience with other brands. And here's the killer advantage: it keeps its resale value insanely high, because everyone knows it just doesn't break down. Owning an RX is like cheating the luxury market. You get prestige and reliability bundled into one. No embarrassing breakdowns, no eye-watering repair bills, just pure, predictable performance that makes you feel untouchable on the road. 4. Subaru Outback. Now, let's step into something different. The Subaru Outback doesn't just last long, it survives. This SUV is built like it's preparing for an apocalypse. Rugged all-wheel drive, tough engineering, and a history of lasting well over 200,000 miles make it the ultimate buy it once and forget about it kind of car. Mechanics know it, outdoorsmen know it, and families who refuse to switch brands know it. The Outback doesn't just handle daily commutes, it thrives in snow, mud, and rough terrain where other SUVs beg for mercy. Reliability isn't just about parts lasting long, it's about confidence. And when you drive an Outback, you know you're sitting in a vehicle that's been designed to keep you moving no matter what the road throws at you. Forget about expensive AWD breakdowns like in luxury SUVs. Subaru has perfected this system, making it nearly indestructible. If reliability had a go-anywhere version, the Subaru Outback would be it. 5. Toyota 4Runner. Finally, the king of unkillable SUVs, the Toyota 4Runner. This is not just a vehicle. This is a machine with a cult following. And for good reason. The 4Runner has been called a tank on wheels because it simply refuses to die. Owners regularly report hitting 500,000 miles with no catastrophic failures. That's not a coincidence, that's deliberate. Toyota engineering designed to dominate both city roads and hostile terrain. The 4Runner runs on a body-on-frame construction, which is the same philosophy behind trucks. Translation: it's tougher, stronger, and built to last decades, not just years. Yes, it drinks more fuel than smaller SUVs, but that's the price of owning something virtually indestructible. People who buy 4Runners often keep them for life, passing them down like family heirlooms. This is the SUV that makes you laugh at the idea of breakdowns, because it doesn't just outlast mechanics, it outlasts trends, car fads, and sometimes even the owners themselves. So, here's the real question. Do you actually need to be convinced anymore? Because if these SUVs don't make you rethink what reliability truly means, then maybe you enjoy wasting money on repairs and rentals. But let's be honest, nobody does. And here's the fun part. Everyone watching this video has their own indestructible SUV story. Some of you have put 200,000 miles on a CR-V without a hiccup. Others are still rocking a 4Runner from the early 2000s that refuses to quit. And then there are the diehards who swear by their Lexus or Subaru and will defend them like family. So tell me, what's your story? Which SUV do you think deserves to be crowned the most reliable of all time? Drop it in the comments. And don't hold back, argue, brag, debate, whatever you like. Because the truth is, reliability isn't just a spec sheet, it's personal. And I guarantee the best stories will come straight from you.